Guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about integral. You already knows that if I say you that what will be the integral of x square, it will be x cube upon 3 plus constant c. But I'm going to tell you this integral about amazing method. So let's go start. So guys, it's our question and I'm going to solve this question and I'm going to put here to solve it x is equal to sine theta. Okay, and we can find out the value of dx. The derivative of sine x, it will be cos theta, and theta derivative will be d theta. Okay, now we can put these two values in our given integral like this. It will be, what will be the value of x? It will be sine theta, so it will be sine square theta. Okay, and the value of dx, it will be cos theta d theta. Okay, and we can write this value sine theta because here sine 2 power, so we can write sine theta into sine theta cos theta. Okay, d theta. And now I'm going to multiply and divide by 2 and we get, it will be 1 upon 2 here and it will be sine theta, and when you will multiply here 2, it will be the formula sine 2 theta. Okay, and d theta, and you can apply the formula. Now I'm again going to multiply by 2 and divided by 2. So when we will divide it, 1 upon 2 by 2, it will be 1 upon 4 and it will be 2 sine theta sine 2 theta. Okay, and you already knows that we can apply here what formula? 2 sine theta, 2 sine x sine y. Okay, so we can write this value by that formula cos theta minus cos 3 theta, okay, upon 2, and it will be d theta. Okay, now we can integrate this value. We get integral of cos theta equal to sine theta. Okay, now integral of cos theta, it will be sine 3 theta. Integral of cos 3 theta, it will be equal to sine 3 theta upon 3. Okay, plus c. Now it will be like this, 1 upon 4. I'm going to multiply. Okay, it will be 1 upon 4 sine theta, and it will be 1 upon 12 because 4 multiplied by 3, it will be 12. It will be here sine 3 theta plus c. Now we can apply here also the formula of sine 3 theta. What is the formula sine 3 theta? It will be equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, and now we can multiply 1 upon 4 sine theta. I'm going to multiply. When 1 by 12 multiply this one, it will be 3 1 3, 3 4 12. It will be 1 upon 4 sine theta, and when we will multiply this plus minus 1 by 12 here, it will be plus 4 3 12. It will be equal to 1 by 3 sine cube theta, and here will be constant c. Okay, it will be cancel out, so we get here 1 upon 3 sine cube theta plus c, and we can apply we can put the value of sine theta from here. Okay, it will be 1 upon 3 x cube plus c. So it is our required integral solution. Okay guys, if you like my video, so like, share and subscribe and forward to all your friends. And if you wanna follow me on Instagram, there is link in description. You can follow me. So see you next time. Thank you so much.